Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
युक्रेनात अडकल्ल्या भारतीयांक हाडपाक मोदी सरकारान आनीक नेट धरला. फुडल्या 3 दिसात 26 इव्हॅक्युएशन फ्लायटींचे जॅम पॅक शेड्यूल. परिस्थिती गंभीर जाल्ल्यान इंडियन एअरफोर्स C-17 ट्रान्सपोर्ट एअरक्राफ्ट घेऊन मिशन गंगात वाटेकार. युक्रेनातल्या लोकांक भारताची मानवीय मजत सुरू. ते वटेन युक्रेनाची राजधानी कीव आणि खार्किवाची रशियन सेनेन गराडो घालून चढाई सुरू केल्ल्यान खार्किवात अडकल्ल्या भारतीय विद्यार्थ्यांक सांजे 6 मेरेन शार सोडपाची दूतावासाची ॲडवायझरी. रशियन अधिकाऱ्यांकडच्यान मेळिल्ल्या इनपुटाचेर ही ॲडवायझरी.
Now, moving on to the situation there in Ukraine. The cities in eastern Ukraine remain areas of concern for us. Continuing violence there. There are encouraging reports that some students were able to board trains out of Kharkiv yesterday night, today morning, and we assisted in this process through the student contractors and other partners. As you know, we have been in communication with the Russian side regarding safe passage of our nationals from Kharkiv and other nearby cities. देखिए, अभी हमने देखा होगा कुछ ही देर पहले हमने एडवाइजरी, हमारी एम्बेसी ने एडवाइजरी जारी की है जिसमें हमारे नागरिक, हमारे छात्र जो खार्किव शहर में हैं, खार्किव की बात कर रहा हूँ स्पेसिफिकली, खार्किव शहर में उनको कहा गया है कि आप निकल लें वहाँ से शाम के 6 बजे लोकल टाइम के पहले. और 3 जगह बताई गई है. हमें मालूम है कुछ दिक्कतें आ रही हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वहाँ पे निकलने में, ये स्वाभाविक है और हम उनके कोऑर्डिनेशन कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर से. We have issued this advisory based on inputs that the Russian side has given. We haven't chosen these locations. We haven't chosen the time. These are based on inputs that as you know, we've been saying, and Foreign Secretary has said, External Affairs Minister also had raised, Prime Minister has also raised, conveyed to his counterparts of the need for a mechanism to safely evacuate our citizens, our nationals. I can't say anything beyond this because I think that's pretty self-evident.
एक दोग करून गोयचे भुरगे पावंक लागले. परिस्थितीचेर गोयचो मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो.
युक्रेनाक जे गोवन स्टुडंट्स शिकता जो 14 जाण थंयसर आसा, कंटिन्युअसली आमचो NRI ऑफिस एन्थोनी कंटिन्युअसली इन टच आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर 14 भुरग्यां पैकी 2 जाण गोंयांत पावले. 3 जाण फ्रॉम युक्रेन टू रोमानिया कंट्रीत पावल्ले आसा. उरलेले आमच्या थंयच्या लोकल एम्बसी बरोबर कंटिन्युअसली इन टच आसा. तांकांय बी म्हाका दिसता आज किंवा फाल्यां भितर ज्यो फ्लायट्स रोमानिया किंवा बाकी खंयच्या कंट्रींतल्यान येतले थंयच्यान तांची येवपाची वेवस्था जी आसा ही केली वयतली. म्हाजें ऑफिसूय बी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आनी NRI ऑफिस हांचे कडेन कंटिन्युअसली इन टच आसा. आमी देवा लागीं मागता की जाता तितके बेगीन आनी सुखरूपपणे सगळे जाण ऑल इंडियन्स थंयसर जे आसा तितके जाण परत एकदां देशांत पावचे ही देवा लागीं प्रार्थना.
ऑपरेशन गंगान गोयचे मेडिकल स्टुडंट रेचल गोम्स गोंयांत पावले.
But then this year in 2022 of February, we got to know that there might be a war because there was news all around. So then everybody was thinking like what's going to happen and all. Our friends and all were telling us like be careful, what might happen there. So we were like fine, everything's normal. But then about like after the 15th of February, things were getting intense. And we got to know that Russia is planning for a war. So we decided to leave. Like we were about 7 to 8 of us in our friend circle. So we decided to leave. And they said that they would start on the 16th of February, the war. So we wanted to leave before the 16th. Now this was about the 14th of February. It was actually risky to travel by road in case if they start on that day. So we thought we'll take a flight directly from Rzeszow. Rzeszow is the place I stay in Ukraine. So then we decided to take a flight directly to Turkey, I think. But then that wasn't happening because we needed visa for Turkey. And as students, we have only student visa for Ukraine. Later, normally we reached the Kyiv airport. And then in the afternoon was our flight. So then we got the flight. It was a connecting flight via Sharjah to Hyderabad.
सरकारान खंय इव्हॅक्युएशनाचो नेट अजून वाडोवंक जाय. NSUI मोदी सरकाराचो निषेध करता.
But we don't understand this. What is the Indian government doing? What is the Modi government doing? Do we realize that we need to have a back to the students?
Bureau report, Prudent.